good morning and welcome to another episode of Captain Drone's non-scientific camera comparison test. Today I have the Hubsan Zino 2. This is a drone that is in the budget price range. It is $500 US. Yes, that is considered budget compared to the Pro drones. And I actually have a Pro drone here, which is the Mavic Air 2. This is not in the budget price range. It is about $800 US. So this video is in 4K 60 frames per second because the Hubsan Zino 2, even though it's a budget drone, can do 4K 60 at 4K, which is pretty sweet. So if you do not have your settings on YouTube at 4K 60 frames per second, check your bottom, looking at your screen, check your bottom right-hand corner, and that's where the settings are. Make sure you're in 4K 60, and you'll get to see all the benefits of this here video. Obviously, a lot of you do not have 4K phones, tablets, TVs, or whatnot, so you're not going to see the true 4K. You're going to see a squished version of it. But for those people with 4K TVs, enjoy. Those people with 8K TVs, you're probably going, when's the 8K video coming? Well, they don't do 8K. So anyways, here's my camera comparison. Check it out. All right, there's the Hubsan Zino 2 up in the air. It's currently the newest Hubsan Zino on the market. It's the one a lot of people were waiting for. It's in the $500 range. So for $500, this is the image you get at 4K 60 frames per second, because that's what's so amazing with this drone. It actually has 4K 60. It also has a super long range. Like you can do like 8 kilometers or something on this thing as well. That's what it says in the specs. I haven't really tried it. But here's the image. So there's a tree. What's that look like? Does it look green? Maybe too green? Maybe not enough green? The grass. My shirt is, let's see here. I'll just get that out of the way. My shirt is blue and it has the word Fox on it. And turn around back. Here's my shadows. You can see them on the ground as I'm walking. My legs are incredibly white. They should be white, 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 white. Not any other color. I don't know. It's some defect from childhood. So this is what it looks like with the Hubsan Zino 2. This is what you get for your $500 of investment in a drone like this. This is actually considered, you know, the top tier of the budget drones. This is what you get. All right, let's switch over to the Mavic Air 2 and see if there's any difference. All right, there's the Mavic Air 2 up in the air, and check out the colors back here. Check out my shirt. It's blue, green pants, super white legs. Check out the tree in the back. Does it look green? Too green? Not enough green? The grass, green? Too green? Not enough green? You know, you saw what the Zino looked like, and now you see what the Mavic Air 2 looks like. So, you know, what's the color comparison? How about the detail in the image? You know, as I walk around, here's my shadow. How's everything look? I'm just checking out my screen here. Looks all good on here. How's this little bag look? Did it look that sort of lime green, lime yellowish color? I don't know. Is there a lime yellow? I don't even know. But here's all the colors, and here's what it looks like. I will say, you know, just from my experience right here, the wind is still happening, as you can see in the tree back here. Maybe not blowing as much right now, but the Mavic Air, I think, you will tell me, is it sitting in the air a little bit better than the Hubsan Zino 2, like not being affected by the wind blowing side to side? Look at the image, the sides of the image. You saw it on the Hubsan Zino 2. Does the image look like it's moving, or does it look like it's, you know, somewhat still? All right, next thing I'm going to do is put these images side by side so you'll see the Mavic Air 2 and the Hubsan Zino 2. And I might even zoom into me so you see me at a super zoomed in crop, so then you can see what the detail looks like and everything else. And then I'm going to fly the Hubsan Zino 2 and the Mavic Air 2 away down the field and then back this way. And yeah, I'll put the video, splice it together, and you'll see what everything looks like. And well, here we go. All right, that's the end of the camera comparison, and what did you think? Which one looked better, more pleasing to your eyes? Which one seemed to have the colors more correct to you? Well, you decide. Post a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think watching it on the device you are watching it on. Now, I will say one thing that you could not see in this video, and that is that the Hubsan Zino 2 in the wind, when I tried to fly a straight line numerous times, it doesn't like to fly straight. It's sort of like dog tails, like a little bit off to the side every now and then. So you can kind of fix that with a compass calibration. I have not done a second compass calibration on this, but yeah, it's just something. I remember the old Phantom 3s had that problem too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't have either of these drones, I'm going to put links below to the Hubsan Zino 2, like I said, $500 range, and also put links below to the Mavic Air 2, $800 range. You decide. Difference in price, which one is best for you and your budget. All right, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to say it again, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in future videos with many more camera comparisons. Take care.